TAT, that is Thematic Perception Test. So if you are preparing for your SSB interview, you must have heard about TAT, and this test is very important when we talk about psychology technique. So there are basically 4 tests in the psychology technique. First is TAT, that is Thematic Perception Test. Second is WAT, that is Word Association Test. Third is SRT, that is Situation Reaction Test. And fourth is Self-Description Test. Now in this video, we will practice TAT. Now how? So I will tell you that later. Firstly, I will tell you about the conduct of this test. So basically what happens in the TAT. So you will be taken to a hall and there you will be shown a picture for 30 seconds. So there will be a big screen on which a picture will be displayed for 30 seconds and all the lights will be switched off. After 30 seconds, there will be a bell sound or a buzzer sound and lights will be switched on, and you will be given 4 minutes to write a story revolving around the picture shown. Now what is the meaning of a story revolving around the picture shown? So basically some scene will be displayed in that picture and what you have to write is what led to the situation. So some scene will be there, you have to write what led to the situation, what is happening right now, and what is going to be the likely outcome. Firstly, you can express your thoughts freely. Secondly, you also have to write thoughts and feelings of the characters shown. Now, after 4 minutes, again there will be a bell sound and lights will be switched off and the second picture will be shown for 30 seconds. And in those 30 seconds, you will observe the picture carefully. After 30 seconds, again the lights will be switched on and you will be given 4 minutes to write a story revolving around the picture shown. Again after 4 minutes, lights will be switched off, a bell sound and third picture. Then after 30 seconds, 4 minutes to write a story revolving around that picture. Now same way, 12 pictures will be shown to you, one after the other. There will be no gaps. But one important thing is, after the 11th picture, at the time of 12th picture, you will be shown a blank screen. That is a white blank screen and you have to write a story. Okay, this is going to be the 12th picture. Now, you must have heard about the test called PPDT, that is Picture Perception and Discussion Test. And you have to go through that test at the time of screening. So I'll upload a different series on PPDT, but I'll tell you few things. Basically, what is the difference between PPDT and TAT? So when we talk about PPDT, you have to write action of the story, or you can call it title or main theme of the story. So you have to write it, then you write your story. But in case of TAT, that is TAT, you directly write your story. For example, you are taking some character named Rohit. So you can just write Rohit was an engineer and working with some XYZ company. Okay, so like this. Second difference, in PPDT, you have to mention the characters that you have seen. Basically their gender, age and mood. And you are required to encircle the central character or the main character or the first character that you have seen. But in TAT, there is no such thing. Now one more very important thing. The story that you will write will be in the past tense. Okay, now length of the story. So you have to write 10 to 12 lines, that is around 100 words. So on one page, you will write 2 stories on one side. Now, how are we going to practice this? So I will be uploading a lot of videos with different pictures. So you see the picture and then write a story in the comment section. Now, if you don't want to write the whole story, then you can write the basic theme and some actions. Now in some of the videos, I'll show you the picture, and in some videos, I will explain any picture. Now the pictures that I will give you are going to be very fruitful. So now the picture is this. Now you can post your story in the comment section, and as everyone will perceive these pictures differently, so we will be having a lot of themes and a lot of different stories. So just post your stories and keep practicing